That was really part of kind of the fabric of who I am is being in the fitness space, strength training, and working out most every single day. And so I knew that that was something that I wanted to blend into my practice someday, somehow. My truth is the truth of like what a full body and mind benefit it is to be an active person and be a strong person. I believe that so wholeheartedly. That's how I live. And so I would not want to be a physical therapist that doesn't live that, preach that, do that every day. One of the big things that helped me lean into excellence when I think back on it, especially since I've had a couple years to reflect on this now, is time. This time is not being rushed. It was just a really nice blend of seeing enough patients but not feeling busy and rushed, time to just pursue the reps, and then having the support here too for, I think, the understanding that maybe me and all students are going to benefit from doing this a bunch of times. Let's repeat it. Let's go over and over. Let's explain it back to each other. Just that like two-way street mentorship rooted in time. I loved the structure here of this student program. As I mentioned, there's a structured plan each week so you know what to expect, and having the time and space and set aside time each week to go over like what went well this week and what could go better. What do you need more of from your CI? What do you need less of? Like your students, but the other people who work here were so psyched on helping you practice things, learn things, or asking them questions. It was like so collaborative, and it always felt like everybody wants to help me. Not just my CI is here for me, but everybody here is just trying to elevate the game. And then really you also see everybody else trying to elevate their own game, and you're not going to be the one left behind. Everybody here is pushing to get better. And so as a student, rising tide raises all ships, right? You definitely feel that when you're here immersed. We're working through orthopedic cases. We are putting a lot of emphasis on the clinical reasoning part. So differential diagnosis and figuring out, let's make sure we have our hypothesis list dialed in for what we think is going on. And then we're methodically and relentlessly testing and retesting and figuring out, is my hypothesis correct? Do I need to go back to the drawing board? And then if we feel like it's correct, we're going down that. And so that's the framework that I use now in pelvic, even though it's a different body area. And where did I even begin? If you are somebody who is interested in having a fitness-minded practice and being that fitness-minded person in your community, and then being empowered to practice like that too, being empowered to help your patients lift heavy weights like you know that they should, and helping to support you to help the whole person, then this is your place. And